everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the channel. So today we're back at the hive again, and I'm going to show you the solution, the permanent solution for ant problems. So if you would come and have a look here. So we made these feet, and it's made out of aluminium. Actually, my girlfriend made these feet, and if I take it out, you'll see that it is just a piece of square tubing, that a piece of angle has been cut out, which is exactly as high as the base of the beehive, and we will be using that to connect it to the beehive itself. And you'll see I actually drilled some holes, and I just used a larger drill bit to make them countersunk. Now what you'll also see is that the base is welded across the entire seam where the two connects together, the base plate and the round tubing. The reason for that is we'll be filling this with a liquid, usually oil. We would not use water because water evaporates fast, so it's high maintenance. And this will then effectively create a barrier for the hive to be rid of the crawling insects. So once we place this in place, you'll see next what we'll do is just to connect it to the hive itself. I use just normal drywall screws to do this. Should you be in possession of quite a few hives, it'll be better to build a stand which multiple of the hives can stand on one stand itself, and then just do the same thing with the feet. All that I'm going to use is I'm going to use some old car oil. This is a great use for using something that has been used before, so you don't waste any products. So the oil doesn't negatively affect the bees or harm them in any way, but you will notice at the front of the hive that some of the bees will actually fall into the oil and then drown in the oil. Now this shouldn't alarm you at all, as long as it doesn't look like too many of the bees are falling victim to this. Should a lot of them fall victim to it, you should change the substance you are using inside the cups. So as you can see, all that you do is you literally just fill these cups, and then that will create a barrier, a liquid barrier between the hive and its actual food. That will prevent the ants from getting to the hive itself, or any crawling insects for that matter. So everyone, thank you very much for joining in on the channel once again and watching my content. I hope you guys learned something new, and this is a permanent fix for your crawling insect problems.